Yes, nice job. Right? And why is that? Because it's support. Support, right? And what do we do on support?
Calls.
Yes. Yeah, great job. Very proud of you guys, right? So again, my 2 minute EWO team, you're like, oh, damn it, I'm down. Oh, do I get out? I'm down. Oh, damn, do I get out? No. It's not time for you to get out. This is what I love about this. The longer we hold, look at what VWAP does. You see how VWAP is going up and up and up and up and up? Well, guess what? The higher VWAP goes up, if it does eventually break, that means more money that we made when it broke, right? If you bought here and you either sold here, here, or here, right? It's going to continue to make more money the longer you stay in it because VWAP will go with it, won't it? Right. So I'm big into the shedding technique. That's to me,
Okay.
yeah, to me, that's my stop, right? So, but for all of you, remember 25 to 40 is the original. And then I like to have like a 50%, and then we kind of manage it as we go, right?
Right.
But I usually like to have a 50% after I'm positive. So if I paid $1, it's at 2, I like $1.50. It gives me a 50% range to move around in there, and then it goes up and I can move it up, but we don't want it too tight. We still don't want it tight, but we will make sure that that trade will be green. No matter what, if you got in on 2 minute EWO, I don't care what it did, you should be up. There should be no way you were stopped because, and remember, hell, I didn't get in until it was way up here somewhere. But right here, right, this is the 2 minute EWO. This is the entry. So even on a knife drop, there's no way that would have got you out. Look, you bought here.
Okay. So on that, the EWO, and my mindset, a lot of times in scalping, I've got to
Yeah.
go back to the EWO, and I can see the rationale now.
Yeah, absolutely. And I'm glad you brought it up because those are two completely different trading styles. Yep.
Correct.
Yeah. So our scalps are tight. EWO is not. We need the loose. We need this, right? We need it to run, and it's got to go up, pull back, stair step. So if you can't afford these little moves, you're going to get stopped out every time it makes that move, right?
Yep.
Yeah. EWO is a looser style. Let it run. Once it's gone up and above and where we're supposed to be, we start to allow it more room to grow. Now look at this real quick. If Amazon is going to pull back, it's here. Why? What's 175? Why would it pull back here?
Resistance.
That's correct. Right? So this isn't panic town again. This is just its normal up resistance. Up resistance. Right?
Then you just keep playing it.
Yes, until it shows us, right? Until it shows us one way or the other, because it's either going to break or break, trade is still active. And if you're a scalper, well, hell, you're in your zone because you're buying puts, calls, puts, calls, puts, calls, puts.
Right.
Oh, boom, it breaks. I hit my stop. Now I'm going to call. Bang, there you go again, right?
Yep.
It's over until eventually it breaks one way or the other. You get stopped out. You hammer it the other way, and then you drive it all the way till either new low or new high. That's it. That's it. Game over. Bada boom, bada bing.